Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to spice up a simple look with some graphic liner. I haven't done a ton of graphic liner before, so we can do it together. So maybe it's summer and it's too hot to put on some foundation, or maybe your skin doesn't react well to quite a lot of foundations or concealers, or maybe you just want to focus on your eyes. Whatever it is, whatever colour, whatever style, let's try it today. So you can do graphic liner with a few different products. Maybe it's a liquid eyeliner like these, or a pigment, or a kohl liner, or whatever you prefer. So the pigments I'm going to be using are from Peaches and Cream, and also taking the pigment drops so we can mix it and create an eyeliner. There's also a few different brushes you can use. I'm using the Peaches and Cream PC45. So ideally you want a clean brush. Mine's still got a bit of leftover product in and I'm not about to get up and wash it. So here we have our pigment and our pigment drops. I'm just going to try to carefully decant a little bit in. Okay, so that was a bit more than what I wanted, but it's fine. I'm just going to try and put some back. So with your pigment drops, you're just going to pop a little bit in. So I added about 3 drops. So let's start with like a circle. So I've dipped the brush just at the end with the pigment, and I just place it on like so and go round and round. So this pigment is quite sparkly, so it's not really an opaque colour, but as I move with the light you can kind of see. So this side is looking a bit better than that side, but if you want to you can clean it up. I'm now using the liquid liner. The only things I will say with the liquid liner is that sometimes the white comes out thicker. That's just obviously because there's more liner on there, so you would have to go in on the other parts and just kind of go over it. So I've just tried to create a kind of basic flower shape. So yeah, could be better. So I'm just going to change the purple colour to a yellow, and these are more easy to create circles with. Okay, so that's even harder to see, so I'm just going to put blue. So there's that, you kind of get the gist. Next up, I'm just going to use a green to create a random pattern. And I'm just going to add some white to the other circles. So this one looks more like an egg, but you get the gist. Obviously you can work on it, you can practice. Now onto the next eye. I'm going to use a purple just to kind of go over this. So I've just created a rough kind of shape. As you can see, it needs to be cleaned up. You can either do this with a makeup wipe, a concealer, or you can actually use another coloured eyeliner. Clean the yellow up with a concealer. If you ever mess up the shape like I did, just experiment. So yeah, just be wild with it. It's freeing and just be colourful.